Traders, welcome back to another Relentless video. In this one, we're going to be talking about the changes that are coming to Discord heading into the new month, heading into June. Ladies and gentlemen, be sure to watch this video till the very end so you get all the details. All right, if you click off, well, to the depths, as you guys know. So, first and foremost, heading into June, right, at the beginning of this next month, at the end of this month, rather, at the end of this month here, May, this Discord will no longer be free. This Discord will no longer be free. Now, before you throw your hands up into the air and sigh and say, hey, this guy is a sellout, no, 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 all right? Relentless Trader is the man, and free has always been key. And so here's the thing. So, if you are a MMU student, it's a no-brainer. Of course, Discord will be free for you for life. You'll be grandfathered in, all right? Now, if you cancel your MMU membership and you're no longer an MMU student, right, you will still have access for life to Discord, but you will not have access to the MMU inner circle chat up top right here, where it's just MMU students only. You'll still have access to the main chat here down below. Second, if you are a moderator, it's another no-brainer. You'll have lifetime access. Now, if you are a blue member, if you are an active blue member, you're here in the community, you're on the YouTube stream, you will be grandfathered in. You'll have lifetime access to this Discord. For those of you who are white members, people who are same way active around the community, be sure to send me a message in Discord. You'll know it's me here in the top right hand corner with the green name, right? Send me a message and ask for your color to be upgraded, to be converted to blue. That way you too can have lifetime access to this community and to this Discord. So essentially, all the people who are coming in the future will have to pay a small subscription to be a part of our community. And that's because this community is extremely valuable. This Discord is extremely valuable. Without this Discord, I think I'd still be making, $90 a day trading. It's the people here, it's the environment here that's pushed me. And not only me, but many other traders, right? So the audio calls, the screen sharing, the ability to talk to other traders, profitable traders, and also the transparency, right? You guys know there is a screening process for anyone who wants to post P&Ls and these type of things. And with proceeds, the community will only become better because we will reinvest. Getting things done professionally, professional audits, these type of things in the future to guarantee ourselves a more safe community, a safer space. Now, for those of you who are already blue members, who just love what I'm doing here and wants to support me and don't mind paying a subscription every month, you guys can opt out. You can send me a message and say, hey, RT, I just love what you're doing here. What you have been doing over the years. And, hey, I'll support you to the fullest. If you want to do that, then that's fine too, right? So this conversion will be a win-win situation for everyone involved, all parties. When I was working at Amazon, I was one of the best employees there. And when push came to shove, they did not care. They said, hey, get out of here. And so they did not value, any sort of loyalty, right? Loyalty is important. And I value all of those, who've been here and who's been active here. And I want you guys to continue to be a part of the community. So the fee that I'm aiming for is $9.99 a month. That will go into effect June 1st of next month. Lastly, the last thing that I want to bring up here, guys, remember our rules. For those of you who are new to Discord, who wants to become blue member, who are being transferred over from white to blue, or even those of you who've been here, remember our rules, all right? Because we will continue to be a no-nonsense community. Being able to post screenshots and these type of things and links doesn't mean that you're going to start breaking the rules and start spamming, because then you will just get kicked out of the community. All right. So remember our rules. Remember that this is a no nonsense community. This is a safe space for traders to come, interact, and we keep it professional. All right. With that being said, stay tuned for more updates. I will let you guys know a little bit more coming closer to the end of the month. It's been Relentless Trader, and I am signing out.